Welcome to another Flambient tutorial. In today's episode, we're going to be looking at lighting multiple rooms within the same image. So for this example, we have a bedroom and then a bathroom off to the right side of it. So we wanted to show the space in the bathroom in relation to that bedroom. So I'm going to show you how we light the bedroom, and then we're going to light the bathroom separately and then blend those images into Photoshop. So let's get going. We're going to be looking at these three images right here. Here is the bedroom, obviously, and here is the bathroom. This is the ambient image. This is the flash pop in the bedroom. I actually just left my flash on top of the camera, and I came around here in this corner and just bounced it off the wall, kind of put it up into the corner of the ceiling, just to throw light back into the room, because we got that nice window exposure there. And then in this image, same thing. We lit the bathroom with still having that flash always on top of the camera, because you don't want to leave this dark. It'd be too hard to blend this together. So let's start with our ambient layer, and again I use my presets here for the initial, and I have to come down here because I know that I have to change this to my Leica lens, and that we got to get rid of that distortion so you can see your lines. There we go. That fixed it. So right there. Fix it enough. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, because I do not have a full preset for this lens, I'm just going to copy. You see that? And then copy all those settings. And now I can move to the flash pop in the bedroom. Paste those settings. And now we'll go to the bathroom flash pop. Right there, good. So you want to make sure that you got a good window exposure there. And let's check these one more time. So that is the ambient layer. Do not need to adjust anything on that. That looks nice and lit, pretty evenly lit, minus the window exposure, which we correct with this image and that image. And we'll be able to blend these three images in. I'm just going to highlight them all, right click, edit in, open as layers in Photoshop. Okay, once you have your layers into Photoshop, it's really this simple as making sure that your ambient layer is on top, and it really doesn't matter which layers fall underneath. But what we're going to do is just start with that ambient layer, and we're going to do a layer mask and invert it. And now what we need to do is paint back in some ambient. So we're going to make our brush big. So again, remember, we're working with natural light. We had the lights off. We know that our ambient layer had plenty of light, and we want to get rid of some of this flash out in the hall. And paint that back in. I'm just painting more ambient layer back in. And again, we don't have to worry about the bathroom, because I know that layer is going to be fixed with that flash layer. So once you're done with the first layer, all we're going to do is take the bathroom layer, the layer that's on the bottom, and just drag it up to the top. And this is the layer that we need to fix. We're just going to do a mask and then invert it. And now we can just brush in that flash back into the bathroom. Right there. That's really all there is to it. Okay, let's right click, flatten image. And what we can do to get rid of some of this orange that's bleeding in from that light, we can do another adjustment layer. Let's do, where's a hue saturation. And we can take this little dropper just to make sure we're getting the right color, and it is yellow. So what we can do is just take the saturation slider and just start dropping that down. Now it is taking saturation out of it's taking yellow out of everything in the image, but that's okay. We can just bring it pretty much right there. We know that that area has removed that yellow tint if we toggle this on and off. But what we can do is just invert this layer mask like that, and then come over here to our white brush, and then just paint out that yellow out of that one spot, and we leave the color in the rest of the image. And just do that to your heart's content until you feel like it's pretty much gone, and you can kind of toggle that on and off. Look at the difference there. That's on, and that's off. That's what we want. That looks really good. I like it. So we're just going to flatten image, Command S to save it, to bring it back into Lightroom. And I'm going to do my interior final bump. So if you want to see a more in-depth tutorial where I take you on location, make sure you watch this video. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.